Okay, wait. Di ba tinuruan mo na kayo yung kung paano magbilang? Di ba? 1 to 10, tapos 10 to 20, and 20 to 30. Di ba? Tapos, okay, tingnan natin kung marunong na kayo magbilang ng 1 to 10, di ba? Sige. Ngayon, gagawin nyo, i-count nyo lang yung exercise ko na. Sige. Are you ready? Louder ha, louder yung pag-count. Sige daw. And 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Louder. Okay, very good.
31.
Yan, marunong na kayo. Apir. Ito ba? Yun, galing nga. Okay raw. Ulit pa daw. Kung marunong talaga. Oh, one more time. 1 to 10 daw. Kurt, louder ha yung pag-count ha. Sige daw. Bilangan mo yung exercise ko ha, 1 to 10. Okay, louder. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Uy, very good talaga. Marunong na mag-count ng 10. Si ate. Gagaling. Tibay talaga. Pero napapagod ako, Noy. Nakakapagod kayo pabilangin, Noy.